Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix if the Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 game is not starting on your device. So the first thing you need to do to fix this type of issue, simply click on the window icon and then restart your device. Once you restart it, then go back to the stream and click on the play button and check it whether the issue is fixed or not. But if you're still facing the issue and the game is not starting on your device, in this case, you need to right click on the window icon, go to the task manager, and here you need to force close all the background processes that currently running on your device. So in my case, like you can see the Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and you need to force close all this type of apps. And once you force close it, then you need to update your operating system to the latest version and also update your GPU driver. Click on the window icon, go to the setting, here select update and security, and press on this check for update. So once you update this, next you need to go to your GPU driver and click on this check for update. This will install the latest version GPU for your graphic card. Once you do that, then go to the library, select, open the collection. Here in the collection, you need to locate the Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 game icon and right click on it, go to the properties, select install file from the side menu, and then click on verify integrity of game file. Once the verification is complete, then start the game again and the issue will be fixed. I hope this video helped you. Subscribe to the channel for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.